Imagine a child who struggled in school, a boy who spoke later than most kids, someone teachers thought would never succeed. Now imagine that same boy growing up to become one of the greatest scientists in history. This is the story of Albert Einstein, the man who changed how we understand the universe. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in the city of Ulm. As a child, Einstein was curious about how the world worked. When he was 5 years old, his father showed him a compass. The tiny needle always pointed north, no matter how he turned it. That moment fascinated him and made him wonder about the invisible forces of nature. Even though he loved learning, Einstein didn't always enjoy school. He preferred thinking deeply about problems instead of memorizing facts. When Einstein was a teenager, his family moved to Munich and later to Milan. Eventually, he studied physics and mathematics at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich. After graduating, Einstein struggled to find a teaching job. Instead, he worked at a patent office in Bern, reviewing inventions. But during his free time, he kept thinking about physics. In 1905, something incredible happened. Einstein published 4 scientific papers that completely changed physics. Scientists call 1905 his miracle year. One of his ideas explained the strange behavior of light using particles called photons. Another explained the motion of tiny particles in liquids. But his most famous idea became one simple equation: E equals mc squared. This equation showed that energy and matter are connected. A few years later, Einstein developed his most revolutionary idea, the theory of relativity. This theory explained how space, time, and gravity work. According to Einstein, massive objects like stars and planets actually bend space and time. Imagine placing a bowling ball on a trampoline. It creates a dip. Smaller objects roll toward it. That's similar to how gravity works in the universe. Einstein's discoveries made him famous across the world. In 1921, he received the Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on the photoelectric effect. He became known not just for his intelligence, but also for his wild hair, humor, and love of curiosity. People everywhere recognized him as a symbol of genius. In the 1930s, a dangerous political movement began rising in Germany. It was led by Adolf Hitler. Because Einstein was Jewish, he decided it was safer to leave Europe. He moved to the United States and began working at Princeton University. Even in his later years, Einstein never stopped asking questions. He worked on theories that tried to explain all forces of nature together. Although he never finished that theory, his ideas inspired generations of scientists. Einstein once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." Albert Einstein passed away in 1955, but his discoveries still shape our world today. His ideas helped lead to technologies like GPS satellites, nuclear energy, modern space science, and his work continues to help scientists explore the mystery of the universe. Fun fact! Did you know Albert Einstein had dyslexia? This is a condition in which a person isn't able to read, write, and spell correctly. From a curious child with a complication to one of the greatest thinkers in history, Einstein proved that curiosity and imagination can change the world. And who knows, maybe the next great idea that changes the universe is already inside someone watching this video. See you next time. Bye!